Here's the truth. Most AI publishers are tracking the wrong numbers. They're obsessed with views, clicks, or how many books they've uploaded. But none of that tells you whether your business is actually working or not. If you want to build real sustainable income with AI books, then you've got to stop chasing vanity metrics and start focusing on the numbers that actually move the needle. Today, I'm breaking down the hidden metrics that separate average publishers from the ones who make consistent money every single month. If that sounds good, smash that like button because we're getting right into this. All right, part one, the vanity metric trap. Most new publishers focus on surface level stats. How many books they've made, how many pages they've formatted, how many prompts they've written. But let's be honest, none of that matters if the books don't sell. That's what I call busy progress. It feels productive, but it's not moving you forward. You don't get paid for effort, you get paid for outcomes. And the people who win in this game, they're tracking performance, not activity. They know what works and they double down on it. Which brings me to metric number one, click-through rate. Your first real metric is CTR, aka click-through rate. This tells you how many people are actually clicking your book after seeing it in search results. If 100 people see your book and only 2 click, then you've got a cover problem, or maybe a title problem. That's why I always say your cover and your title are your sales team. They work 24/7. A great cover can make a mediocre book profitable, and a bad one can kill a masterpiece. So if your CTR is low, don't panic. Tweak your visuals, experiment with subtitles, and make that first impression impossible to ignore. All right, now metric number 2, conversion rate. The second metric is conversion rate. How many people buy after clicking? This tells you one thing. Does your book deliver on the promise that the cover made? If people click but don't buy, then you've got a disconnect. Maybe your description's weak. Maybe your sample pages don't build trust. Or maybe your niche isn't as strong as you thought. But either way, the fix isn't guesswork. It's clarity. You identify where the drop-off happens, make one change, and then test again. That's what real publishers do. They iterate until it works. And then finally, metric number 3, read through and retention. This one separates the rookies from the pros. Reader retention. If people buy your book and stop reading halfway, Amazon knows. And guess what? The algorithm buries you. But if people finish your book, leave good reviews, or even buy your next one, Amazon promotes you for free. That's the hidden secret that most people don't understand. And that's why humanization matters. That's also why flow and emotion matter. Because AI can generate words, but it can't keep a reader's attention. Only you can do that. So finally, the long game mindset. Listen, the ones making real money with AI publishing in 2026 aren't the ones uploading 50 books in a weekend. They're the ones who track, learn, and improve every time. They look at data, not emotion. They don't get attached to results, and they get obsessed with patterns. If you learn to think like that, then $1,000 a month passively isn't some crazy dream. It's just math and time. So here's the takeaway. Stop chasing the wrong numbers. Stop worrying about how many books you've published and start tracking how well they perform. CTR, conversion rate, and reader retention, these are the only true metrics that matter. If you master those, then you'll master the algorithm. You'll build predictable, reliable income with AI books, while everyone else keeps wondering why their sales disappear. And if you want the exact tools that I use to track and improve these metrics, from my niche dashboards to my AI prompt systems, it's all inside my course. The link is below. Now go build something that lasts. And be sure to subscribe if you want more AI publishing tips for the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value, smash that like button and I will see you in the next video.